Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to preview a free digital kit that I have on my Ko-fi shop. That's Yvette's Junk Journal shop on Ko-fi. And this is a 4 journal page kit, and it also has 4 ephemera pages. So very simple but very beautiful, lilac themed. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So that's your cover page. You could cut out those images and use them. Here is the first page, journal page. Down here we have a little cup of coffee and some scones with some lilacs, and this says enjoy every moment. And then the second page is just a little bit smaller page. I didn't make this a full page because I wanted something a little bit smaller as far as the page goes. Just beautiful lilacs as some people call them. This page is just a little close-up, a little blurred there. Also on that page, a little more of the pink. And then these are just little, I thought we could use these as page tabs, fold them in half and use them as a page tab, or you could use them as a banner, put a word across there on a little piece of paper or something like that, or just a little decoration down in the corner of one of the pages. And then here we have these beautiful pages, and this one, and then we have 2 pockets. So go ahead and head over to my Ko-fi shop and pick up this free digital kit. It's a free digital download, and if you use this kit in any of your creations or as part of using it with other kits, go ahead and share that in my Yvette's Junk Journal Shop Friends and Fans page on Facebook. So if you are not a member of that group, it's a very large group of people who we have different days that we post things. So Mondays are Makers Want to Make, Tuesday are tutorials, Wednesday what's on my desk, Thursday throwback, something you've made in the past, Friday is our free digital kit day, and then Saturday is our shop and what do I want to say? It's like a shop share or sales share. And then Sundays is You Shine Sunday, where you can post really anything about you, your shop, or what you make, anything like that. So go ahead and check out Yvette's Junk Journal Shop Friends and Fans. That's my Facebook group. And then I also have a Facebook business page, which is Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. But to find this digital kit, you'll go to Ko-fi. Thank you so much. I'll have a link in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this little flip through. Have a great day.